Alright, so let's rewrite the error term as y transpose y minus 2y x theta. Again, this term can go off and this can be doubled since these are the same terms. So y transpose x theta plus x theta transpose x theta, right? So as already discussed, we will rewrite this equation first. Y transpose y minus 2 into y transpose x theta plus x theta transpose x theta. Alright, so as I've already discussed, taking the derivative with respect to theta and setting this to 0. We'll be in business if we do that. Alright, so let's try to compute the derivative with respect to the theta for this equation. Now, this does not contain any theta, this term. So with respect to theta, this is a constant and I can set it to 0. Minus, this contains a theta. So the ddx of any quantity p multiplied by x will be nothing but p, that quantity. Alright, so going by that understanding, we will rewrite this as 2y x transpose, and the theta can go off. Now notice how these transposes reversed places. Alright, so if I take the derivative of theta over here, this x will become x transpose and this y transpose will become just simply y. Okay, so this becomes x transpose. Plus, I can rewrite this as x transpose x, and then I put a 2 there and I put a theta there. Okay, so how did I do this? Let's say ddx of x squared. Let's say px squared. What will this be? So the ddx of px squared will be 2px, right? So the power comes forward and then x will be written as 2 minus 1. So 2px is the final term. Now notice that here we have a theta and here we have a theta, right? So instead of 2 thetas, we can write a single theta. We can bring the 2 in front and then we can flip the transposes on the x quantities. Now this equation will set it across 0. Alright, so if I move this term over onto this side, what will I get? So basically 2x transpose x theta will be equal to 2y x transpose. The 2's can cancel out. And now I can write theta equal to, so if I take this quantity x transpose x and I try to move it over to the other side of the equation, I will have to write x transpose x inverse. And then the rest of the quantities can stay as is, x transpose y. Okay, so this is what we were looking for. Okay, so if I ignore all the mathematical junk that we went through and just try to concentrate on this equation, I know my x's will be given to me, so I can calculate x transpose, I can calculate x transpose x, I can calculate x transpose x inverse, I can then multiply it with x transpose, and then I can multiply it with y. Everything will be given to me. Doing this will ensure that I come up with a vector that gives me the crisp representation for thetas, which I will use to help build the equation. So in the next video, we will try to fend off a few examples and capture the intuition, and we will be done with linear regression. Thank you.